Remove Apple ID from iPhone on Mac. Hello guys, forget your Apple ID password? Want to reset Apple ID? Or your Apple ID has been disabled by multiple wrong attempts? Today, I will show you how to remove Apple ID without password. Soft Unlocker helps you unlock Apple ID without password. Remove iCloud Aviation Lock. Launch it on your Mac and select Unlock Apple ID feature. Now, connect your locked device to the Mac by using a USB cable. Enter iPhone screen lock password to access it. Now, go back to the unlocker. The unlocker can recognize your iPhone model. And click Start after confirming. As you can see, this app immediately starts to unlock your Apple ID from iPhone. When the screen displays successfully remove the Apple ID. Congratulations! You have removed the Apple ID from this iPhone. Enter the screen lock password and you'll be taken to the Apple ID settings screen. Now, please log in with another account or re-register an Apple ID.